Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. So welcome to my another cooking episode with Zara. Today I'm gonna make some chicken nihari. I have half cup of oil here and I have some chicken here all washed. I'm gonna put in the chicken and I am going to use some ginger garlic paste and I'm gonna fry my chicken here fry okay, and I'm gonna put the nihari masala. And I'm gonna use a little bit of paprika because color बहुत अच्छा आता है इसका. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of paprika with it. I'm gonna fry my chicken for another 2 to 3 minutes. और फिर हम इसके अंदर डालेंगे पानी. Alright, the chicken is fried a little bit. Now I'm gonna put some water. और फिर हम इसको अच्छे से at least this is chicken, so I'm just gonna cook it for 20 minutes. Chicken तो जल्दी गल जाता है. I'm gonna cook it for at least 20 minutes and then I will let you know what I'm gonna do. Ta-da! Nihari आधी पक गई है. Now what I'm gonna do is, I know a lot of people use atta, but I'm gonna use all-purpose flour. So I made a little watery paste here, और अब मैं इसका ये सारा I'm gonna put all this in here and I'm gonna mix it. So you can see the thickness now. I'm gonna cook it for at least 15 more minutes और फिर उसके बाद हम लगाएंगे इसका निहारी में तड़का. ये तड़का रेडी हो रहा है हमारा यहाँ पर. Frying the onions here. That's the nihari. So now, game time on. We're gonna take this and go to लगाएंगे honey. The nihari is ready. Now I'm gonna, it's dinner time. Gonna sprinkle some hara dhania, some green chilies, some adrak. So that's the food. Let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's see. Nihari kaisi bani hai? My mouth is already watering. You want some? No. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. By the way, I made chapati because I do not like naan. So good. A little spicy. Delicious. You want some?
No. My teeth is lost.
Must try. Take care.